So today we are going to discuss a number formatting issue that Tableau has. Sometimes you must have built a dashboard that has varying range of numbers like one in millions, one in billions, one in thousands, and one is just hundreds. And Tableau displays the numbers like this fully. They don't look very readable when at the first glance. So sometimes the user demand is like according to the number, I should be able to see it in the billions or millions or whatever it is. So, but if we change this to look something like this, millions and thousands accordingly set. So how to do this? Let's discuss that today. So first of all, for this, what we're gonna need is just one simple calculation, and I'm going to show you the calculation here and explain what it does. So here's my calculation. So in here, what we do is we just say, let us take the amount. We are using abs here. Abs means absolute. It means turn all the negative values also in the positive ones. So basically it will consider just the number, not the plus or minus sign. So what we are doing is we are saying if it's less than 1000, just give me as it is the amount, and we are just adding a dollar string at the front because when we are doing this dynamically, we won't be able to do that in case we are using a dynamic measure. For single measures, we can still do it, and we are adding dollars and kmb manually here, so this is going to be converted into a string data type, but that's okay because we are just going to put it in the labels. So simple as that. We are just saying if it's less than million, then give me 1000 k sign with dollar. If it's less than a billion, then give me a dollar and m, which means million, and if otherwise, just give me billion. So that's all we are doing, and we are doing round here so that we can round up the number. I'm currently using a number, as you can see, it goes 499 becomes 5 million. If you like to put a decimal place, you can just replace this 0 with 1 or 2, as many round numbers as you want. So this is all basically we need to convert this into a dynamic formatting. And once we are done, we are going to keep our measure in the columns, and we are going to keep our dimension in the cells rows, and we're just going to put amount label that we created in the text bar, and just like that it will display correctly. And if you want to display it in the tooltip, if you want to display the full number, then you can choose that option in tooltip, or if you just want to show the rounded up number, that also you can do. I will suggest display the rounded up number on the outside and full number on the tooltip, so that makes more of a sense. So you can just remove this and it looks good, and whenever they want to see the full number, they can just hover over it and look at it. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.